What's up, y'all? And today we're in another video. This is one of my calculus videos, and in this calculus video we're going to learn how to take the derivative. So there are many ways in calculus that you can take the derivative of something. You can use the power rule, you can use the chain rule, you can use the product rule, you can use the quotient rule. But in this video we're going to go through how to use the power rule for a simple function like this. So let me state out the power rule. The power rule is when you have the expression of a function, to take the derivative, you multiply by the expression's power times x times n minus 1, the power minus 1, or the exponent. The power is another term for the power of a function is the exponent of a function. So how do we apply this to this? How do we apply this rule to find the derivative? Well, just take the derivative, right? So how we would express this mathematically is f prime of x, that is the first derivative. So what we have to do is multiply by the power of the function, or the exponent of the function. In this function, the power is 2. So we're going to multiply this function by 2. So 2 times 3x to the squared minus 1 to apply the power rule. This gives me 2 times 3 is 6. So 6x, 2 minus 1 is 1. We don't usually write that 1 mathematically, so we're going to leave our answer as 6x, which is the answer. Does this make sense? All right, so number 2. We've been given a function, 4x to the 7 minus 2. Using the power rule, I can find f prime of x, 7 times 4x to the 7 minus 1 minus, there's no x, so keep in mind that the derivative of a constant is 0, so I'm going to write 0 here. And this makes sense because essentially what is here is x to the 0. Anything raised to the 0 is 1. And so even if you did take the derivative, the power is 0. When you multiply by the power, it's still going to give you 0. So the derivative of a constant is 0. As simple as that. So 7 times 4 is 28. So we get 28 here. X to the 7 minus 1 is 6. So by applying the power rule, do you see this? Applying the power rule, we've been able to find the derivative of two functions. We found the derivative of 3x squared to be 6x after applying the power rule, and we found the derivative of 4x to the 7 minus 2 to be 28x to the 6 by applying the power rule. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Comment in the comment section if you want to see more examples like this, and as always, I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.